guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So for today's video, it's going to be a review on Firmoo. If you haven't heard Firmoo, I haven't heard of them before until they actually reached out to me. They wanted me to do a review on their eyeglasses that they carry, and I decided, you know what? Why not? I haven't done a review in a while, so why not do a review? This review is going to be 100% true of what I think and my initial review. Later on, I'm also going to do a final review. I'll give it like about a month or so just to give you a final review. So if you haven't heard of Firmoo, Firmoo is actually an eyeglass company. So they make regular reading glasses, and they also make fashion glasses, and they have sunglasses available on their website. I'm going to leave the link to the website and everything like that down below, along with like discount codes and stuff like that they gave me so that you guys can go ahead and check their glasses out. So a little bit about me, I don't use prescriptive glasses. I used to when I was little, and it was kind of just used to anytime I read, just to kind of sharpen the words a little bit. But honestly, the last time I had my eyes checked, they told me I had 20/20, which I'm assuming that's good, right? Like, I'm pretty sure I'm golden. But as you get older, and basically the more type of screens and stuff you look at, your eyes can weaken. And I think they say carrots are really good for your eyes, but I don't even know if that's true or not, but whatever. I'm gonna try it and then we'll see. So what I did is I went on their website. They provided just basically a few products that we can actually look at. I went on the fashion side, and I wanted to get something that was sleek, cute, and fashionable, you know, something that I could wear kind of like every day, just to hype up my fashionist, you know, my fashionista-nist, I guess you could say, but just to hypen that up a little bit. And I found the perfect shades. So this is kind of like a unboxing as well, because this is the first time I opened it. I ordered the glasses maybe about a week, maybe about like a week and a half ago, and they arrived. They just arrived in regular packaging. This has the little bubbles and stuff inside, so obviously the glasses don't get damaged. Inside the package, this is what they have here. So inside the package, we have a user's guide for the company, and this is pretty cool. Just a regular user guide, and it shows you how to basically take care of your glasses. Also inside, what I have is a couple of discount codes, but I will leave all this stuff down in the description box below for you guys. So if you're interested in getting the glasses, you can just use that code down there. And what I also received was this is what it actually came in, which are this little cloth glass protector. And inside, let's see what's inside. Inside, there are some tools that you can use to fix your glasses, which is pretty cool. I've never purchased glasses online before, but I think this is actually pretty neat, because if your glasses need to be tightened or anything like that, you have the tools to do it, right? And then they also gave me this really hard kind of like plastic glass case so that you can store your glasses. So we're gonna open these up. And before we get to the glasses, inside they also have lens cleaner, which is a really nice, cute little cloth. Pretty chill, right? Pretty cute little cloth that you can use to wipe off your glasses, so it doesn't have like the nasty fingerprint residue and everything else in there. So the glasses came in just like this, and this is what they look like. I honestly forgot what the model that I received, or I got. Let me see. I wish I knew the model. When I find out the model, I'll link that down below as well. I wish I knew the model, but these are the glasses. They come in the plastic kind of Ziploc bag thing. Let me open these up, and we're gonna show you what they look like. The glasses that I got are kind of like the aviator look. I love these type of glasses, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see the ring light on it. But one thing that's really neat and that I actually like is the reflectiveness. Like, look how clear, this is right out of the bag, and look how clear these glasses are. They're really, really clear. They're really cute. And they have kind of like, you see these like nose pieces right here? These nose pieces are inside that little tool bag. So if you do lose them, you could actually, they have the nose pieces in there, and they also have a couple of screws, so you can screw them in there yourself and you'll be fine, you'll be golden. So the one thing that attracted me to these glasses were just the style of it. I love the gold, and they have the black on the other side. And then there's this actual piece right here is gold as well, all the way around, and then this end piece is black. So I think they're really pretty cute. We'll try them on. And these are freaking cute though. Hell yeah. These are cute, right? I think they fit my face pretty well. They're really big and I think they work out. What do you guys think? I mean, tell me, what do you guys think about these? I'm sorry for the reflectiveness, but it actually looks really, really cute. Yeah, so my first initial review is that I really like them. They're light. They're really light. They sit well. There were some times where I had issues with glasses where this length right here wasn't long enough to fit and hook around my ears, but I had no issue with this at all. And one thing that's really cool about Firmoo is that when you go on the website, you can customize the glasses to fit you to the T. So they give you the size of small, medium, large when it comes to the actual frame. And for this length right here, they also give you the sizes that you can switch. You can have them polarized, you can have so many different types of lenses, but obviously that's gonna be additional cost. And these are bomb. I love gold. I think gold looks really, really good on my skin. The silver, not too much, but I think that these look really, really nice. Like they're big enough so that they can kind of be like the fashion effect. But I think that they fit really well. And they don't slide off. They fit real comfortably. This band right here fits perfectly around my ear, so it's snugged. And they don't feel like they're gonna slide off of my face. So I think the width is really, really good, and yeah, they look really nice. I'm definitely thinking about maybe getting some sunglasses from them. Like I said, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion because even though they sent them out, I don't want you to feel like, okay, she's getting sponsored, so she's gonna tell you no. I'm gonna tell you the truth, and I really do like them. I think that they're really comfortable. And the price for these, I think, were about $39, and that is just the basic. Obviously, I think it's like $39 plus shipping and handling. And I think that is the basic model. If you do want to get them polarized, you can do that, and they have like so many different options that you can do for the lenses. So if you go to the website, they have so much different styles and all that stuff to choose from. But just like I said, I'm gonna leave the code down below for an exclusive offer. So let me know, guys, what you think. But these are bomb. Like, I really do like these. They're really nice. I'm definitely gonna wear these a lot now because I think they look like sophisticated. I look like a smart individual, right? Also, if you guys have ever heard of this company, let me know down in the comment section below if you've heard of them and then basically your experience with them. I thought that they were really nice. I had no issues with them at all. The mailing, I don't live in the States, so I'm pretty sure if I lived in the States, the mail system would take like way quick. But it took about a week and a week and a half to actually receive the glasses. But I think they work. Like, they're really cute. Oh my gosh. Like, yes. Oh my, yes. What? Yes, they are cute. I think I could work them, right? I don't know. I look like a sexy Urkel. If I do So that's it for my video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna do another review on this. This is the initial, and I'm gonna do a final review. But don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like it, guys. Like, I'm just checking myself out in the mirror because they just look so cute. Like, these are really, really cute glasses. Like, they work, you know? Don't I look like a smart teacher or a smart individual? Like, I could sit here and just like, calculus. I don't know. I think I look like, it looks really, really good. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like it, and also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe down below because every time I upload a new video, you guys will be the first ones to see it, right? All subscribers. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Once you hit that bell, you would be notified when I upload a video. Alright guys, so that's it for the review. I know I'm kind of babbling on a little bit, but please, I'm just like really fascinated with these glasses. Like, once I put them on, I'm just like, you know how you kind of like look at them and you're just stuck in this mode of like, man, are these really the glasses? Are they really it? Yeah, they look pretty cute, right? They do. Oh my god. Okay, alright, I'm done. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.